Hi, my name is Liz Wolf. I graduated from SVSU with my Bachelor of Science in Nursing and work at the University of Michigan Hospital's Neuro ICU. During my time at SVSU, I worked in the University Writing Center, tutoring undergraduate and graduate level students for 3.5 years. During my time there, I developed a passion for writing in the discipline of nursing and writing in APA. Many people express confusion and frustration about academic writing, especially in APA style. However, I want to encourage you because writing, when used well, can be powerful. While academic writing might not be used in your workplace, writing as a student will prepare you to be an excellent lifelong communicator. This video series is designed to prepare you in how to write in APA style and write well within your discipline. Topics covered include style, format, using sources, citing those sources, and utilizing tables and figures within your paper. Let's begin with a brief summary of APA format and style. APA comes from the American Psychological Association and is used for writing in the behavioral and social sciences. It is clear, technical, and concise so that it can be easily understood by its intended audiences. Writing in APA is designed to show a logical progression of thought. Don't be afraid to use transition words, and make sure your points are well explained before moving on to the next point. Be objective and say only what needs to be said. Don't use creative language, change tense or person, or use literary devices. Avoid redundancy and use active instead of passive voice. Be unbiased in your language, leaving out personal evaluations of studies or people being studied. Do not be aggressive in tone and do not use subjective language. Your job is to be the unbiased reporter, allowing the reader to draw conclusions for himself or herself. When using pronouns such as this, that, those, and these, eliminate ambiguity by instead saying this trial, that study, or those participants. When referring to a participant or an author, avoid using gendered pronouns. Instead, use the word who to describe a human, rather than the words he or she. Contrary to what a lot of people think, it is okay to use first person when describing the work that you and any co-researchers have done. Use the words I or we when describing personal research. However, you might want to check with your professor to see if this applies to your assignment. There are many other aspects of APA, but this will give you a good start. Talk to your professors to understand their expectations and get an APA publication manual for yourself to learn a lot more. Also, come into the Writing Center where a tutor is always happy to help you.